So let's talk about play to earn games. It hasn't gotten the best rep since the whole crypto market came tumbling down, and then we got the move to earn games, which kinda pays you for moving around, like Genopads. But with the recent FTX crash, this kinda makes Solana go downhill as well, which kinda led to Genopads suffering quite a bit too. But at the end of the day, personally I feel that these play to earn and move to earn games should be games adding income into your life, and they shouldn't be a full-time job because of how volatile the market can be, and more than 80% of these games do not survive more than a year. So like a great example is Axie Infinity, which was earning people quite a good stream of income, but when the crypto market went down, it put everything down as well. But today, let's talk about a game that I enjoy playing, and no, it's not a typical tower defense game, though I do enjoy them. I do enjoy shooters more because of how intense and how reactive it is. And the game in question today is The Harvest. So The Harvest is a third-person shooter with mobile and battle royale elements added together. And I was lucky enough to get a taste of the closed beta, and if you're interested, open beta is now open and you can download the game for free and start playing it via Steam. And links will all be in the description down below. So in The Harvest, there are 4 different characters that you can play. You have Elif, you have Duke, you have Kira, and you have Sahat. And each of these characters have different skill sets and different weapons. So The Harvest works in a 3v3v3v3 game mode. So this means 12 players battling out to see whose team is the last surviving one, and you get some rewards after winning. So the gameplay is pretty simple. You go into battle, you harvest the essence, and you choose cards to level up and be the last one standing. So the play to earn mechanism for The Harvest comes in the form of cards. So there are cards that come in handy when you're playing. So when you level up in the game, you get to pick 2 skills, and these 2 skills come from the cards that you get from pre-selected deck that you can customize before the game starts. So each character will have their own set of cards which can be leveled up and upgraded over time. So as mentioned, these cards are NFTs that you can sell on marketplaces, and that is where the monetization for The Harvest comes in. So there are different tiers to these cards like common, uncommon, rare, and the legendary cards. So legendary cards will have a limited supply unlike the rest of the grades, so if you are looking to earn some mullahs, getting the legendary ones will be something to aim for. So without further ado, let's jump into some gameplay where the past Jordan was playing the game and lost kind of badly, but he will introduce the other parts of the game for you. Alrighty, so we are playing The Harvest. Alright, let's go. So this is a new game that I won't say it's really new, but I think it's still pretty new. They just launched their open beta today, which is the 30th of January. So right now we're heading to this area. Let's try and kill someone here. So I got someone on my team playing Elif. Let's go. Oh shit, I can't go up there. Damn, this terrain is tough. Alright, let's pick it and get some lifesteal. Oh, that was bad. So the game is currently on open beta. I think if you have Steam, you could go get the game. I think it is free right now, so I would highly suggest that if you guys really want to try out this game, it's free to try. There's no harm trying right now, and I think you guys really should try this game. So this character I'm playing is Kira. She has this skill that she can do projections here. She shoots really fast, so let's try. Try to go get a golem. Let's try to kill this person here. Yeah, there's 2 of them there. Let's try and kill them. Oof, sniper. Hey, Elif. Oh gosh, that was fast. Alright, I'm not too good at the game. So it's open beta. It took me a while, like 5 minutes to get into the game. I didn't record the game that period because I think it's a bit useless to do so. Let's try and kill these guys here. Oh my god. That was tough. I'm dying really quickly. That was really tough. But this is the open beta, so guys, do come in and try the game. I think it's free. Don't even think it's free. Let's try to get a few more gameplays right down here. Alright. Okay, so if you guys look at the map, the top left, you see the map is closing in. And then this little thing here that looks like a turtle, that's a golem. That's ideally what you want to kill, so you get more points. So this is Sahat. Sahat's the sniper. Oh gosh, that's really tough. Okay, the game's getting a little bit tough right now. The last time I played this, I was playing with the game dev, so I guess it gave me a little bit of chance. But now we are playing with like real players, and this guy is like, whew, we got third, not too bad. We didn't get last. So basically, these are all the cards that you can get from the game, and all these cards are NFTs. I'm sorry for that. Too much coke. But basically, all these cards here, they are NFTs, like we mentioned earlier in the video. So by equipping all these cards, you get to use them in the game. And what happens here is that every character that you play, even before you start the game, you get to create your own deck. Like this one here, the active skill here is ring protection. So, you know, and then heal. So this is what ring protection does. Ignores ring damage for the next 3 seconds. Pretty cool. And then you get passive skills like monster damage, you get shield, you get lifesteal. So all these cards right now, oh, what did I do? Oh no. Let's equip a nice card here. Survival instinct. Alright, so let's say if this is the card you want, I think, you know, you can see the different stats here. So definitely there's illustration because it's like NFT, right? So there's rarity as well. So the border of the card kind of tells you the rarity of your card as well. You have experience bar, so you do get experience to level up your cards as well. And definitely as you level up your cards, the better the effect will be, and you get boosted attributes as well. So like this one here, you get penetration of 550 points, yeah. And then you have a collection code, you have the NFT number, you have the game's name, and you have the card type. And then the hero that can use this card. So I think it's pretty cool. Nonetheless, let's look at Duke. So Duke is another character that you can play as well. So Duke is like a tank, so his cards are more of defensive cards. You have Kira, the one that we just played and I lost really badly. So Kira is like a, if you ask me, I think Kira is like more like an attacker that goes to the front and, you know, tries to get damage done. And then if you have Sahat, so Sahat is more like a sniper that stays right in the back, sniping people as well. And Alif, I think, is like more like an all-rounder. She uses a shotgun, that kind of stuff. So pretty cool. Definitely, if you guys are looking to play the game, you know, do try it out. So to start, I'm in the Asian server. So if you guys are playing, join me in the Asian server as well. You're gonna click on battle, and that is how you get the game started. So let's jump back to the Studio Jordan and let him end this video while I enjoy this game. So that's the Harvest in a nutshell. Although I'm not the best player here, but definitely I'll do play the game again with some other friends because the game is free to play. Like, why not? So this episode was not sponsored by Harvest, but if the team is watching, you know who to hook up with. So if you want, the links are in the description down below to download the game. All you need to do is have a Steam account. And if you haven't done so, do drop us a like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and as always, stay safe, invest safe, and I'll see you in the next one.